Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble cleaner. First, always read the product label carefully for specific instructions and safety information. Make sure your cleaning area is well ventilated to avoid inhaling fumes. Gather your essential tools, such as protective gloves, a soft sponge, and a bucket of water, to ensure a smooth and safe cleaning process. Now let's apply the cleaner. Spray or pour the bubble cleaner directly onto the dirty surface, ensuring even coverage. Let the product sit for the time specified on the label, typically between 5 and 10 minutes, to allow it to break down grime. For stubborn spots, a gentle scrub with a sponge or a second application may be necessary. Once the cleaner has had time to work, gently scrub the treated area using a soft sponge or brush to lift away dirt and grime. It's important to rinse the surface thoroughly with clean water afterward, ensuring all product residue is completely removed. Do not let the cleaner dry on the surface, as this can leave streaks or marks. To achieve a sparkling, streak-free finish, dry the cleaned surface with a clean, lint-free cloth. Remember to store your bubble cleaner in a cool, dry place, safely out of reach of children and pets. Regular, light cleaning with bubble cleaner can prevent heavy grime buildup, making your future cleaning tasks much quicker and easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.